few blue hands, some alien hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vijeta, Prashant, Aniruddha, Monisha, Ruchi, Pritesh. So these are the guys who have actually aced over the directions and all. So they have practiced those things, they have revised those things, and now I think they are comfortable. So for those who are struggling, Shashwat, if you have struggled, you should have tried. Okay, na? If you have struggled, you should have tried. Okay? When you try yourself, when you attempt those things, then you can think about, like, you can think in your way. ठीक है ना, खुद से सोचते हो how to approach this, and when you will try any conditions according to your approach ना, तो मजा आएगा क्लास में. ठीक है. So those who are struggling like today also, let me show you this diagram. How many of you can imagine this diagram? Good evening Raksh, good evening Suhas. How many of you can imagine this? समझ में आ रहा है ये? Can you imagine this diagram here? What does this shaded portion means? A shaded जो part है ना, shaded plane. What does that mean? कौन सा plane है वो shaded portion? Answer me. आज से start करेगा, ठीक है, very good. Shaded portion का मतलब क्या? What is the meaning of that shaded plane? Which kind of plane that shaded plane is? Horizontal, vertical, or some other plane? Yeah, it is horizontal plane. कैसा बच्चा? No, x, y, z नहीं, कुछ नहीं. It is a horizontal plane. ऐसा. ठीक है? X, Y, Z. So if I say, what does this direction mean? I am trying to explain you the three-dimensional space here. ठीक है? In a 2D space. Tell me which direction this is. This is a north direction. But if I try to explain this direction in 2D plane, how can I explain this? Can I say this is a direction normal to this plane? जिसमें मैं लिख रहा हूँ, the plane which I'm writing. So this is a plane, this is a direction which is normal to this plane going into the plane. So normally ये north क्या है बच्चा लोग? This north is what? A perpendicular line, perpendicular direction to this plane in which I am drawing everything, in which I am writing everything. समझ में आया क्या? अच्छा, what does this south, this direction mean? इसका meaning क्या है? That means this is a line which is perpendicular to this plane and it is coming out of the plane. It is coming towards the observer. It is coming towards the eye of the observer, right? You can also imagine this. Try to look at this plane from this side. Try to look at this plane from this side. ऐसे ही आंख दिखेगा ना? If you try to look at this plane from this side, this will be away from you, this will be towards you. If your eye is here, consider a plane. अच्छा, ये मान लो ऐसा कुछ plane है, ठीक है? So this is north अंदर की ओर. Now I'm trying to. This is a horizontal plane. Now I'm looking at this from this part. ऐसे सामने से देख रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है? So I'm looking at this plane from one of the edge. So I'm looking at this plane from this side, from this edge. So this will be into the plane. This will be out of the plane. Correct है? Rightward will be east. Leftward will be west. In this plane, upward will be vertically upward. Downward will be vertically downward. So if you draw a condition like this or a diagram like this, if this is east, this is west, and let's call this as the north and this as the south. So vertically upward, this will be vertically upward. This will be vertically downward. All right. So this is also one of the representation of 3D space or the directions in 3D space. समझ में आई बात? Yes, Prakriti. Very good. So if you take this as west, this as east, this is north, this is south, this will be vertically upward, this will be vertically downward. Now I'm asking you to look at this plane, look at the horizontal plane from upper se, from top side. This is the horizontal plane I'm talking about. Now look at this horizontal plane from top side. ऊपर से देखो ऐसे, ऊपर से. So now you are looking at this plane from this side. बात समझ में आ रही है? So now you're looking at this plane from above this space, ठीक है, above this plane. So how this is what, how that will look like. Let me add a page here only for a reference. So if you look at this plane from upside, ऊपर से देखोगे तो कैसा दिखेगा बच्चा लोग? Can I say this will look like a plane like this, and if I try to draw that, ऐसा कुछ, yeah, let me do this. I can say this will be north, this will be south, ठीक है, इधर जाता हुआ नॉर्थ, इधर जाता हुआ साउथ, ऊपर से देखा. This side will be west and this side will be east. If I draw this plane यहाँ पे, समझ में आ रही है? Now tell me how this vertically upward direction will look to you. How will you observe this vertically upward direction? It will be coming towards you. This vertically upward direction will come towards you, है ना? So if you draw north, south, east, west like this, then vertically upward direction will be out of the plane, है ना? अच्छा, how does this vertically downward direction will look to you? It will be going away from the observer. That means going into the plane. This is the plane I'm looking from top side. It will be going into the plane. So if I say this, so this will be vertically down. So these are the two possible representations of directions in 3D space. समझ में आया दोनों? This one and this one. Now, do you have any other doubt? This was the visualization. This was the imagination I'm talking about. I thought you know these things. You can visualize, but I got a feeling yesterday that कुछ तो मुश्किल हुआ था आप लोग का. हाँ बच्चा, कर सकते हो प्रतीश. इसको बोल दो कि सर इसको ऐसे वर्टिकली ऊपर करके दिखा दिया, इसको ऊपर ऐसे ड्रॉ किया, बट वो थोड़ा और मुश्किल हो जाएगा लोगों को समझने में. ठीक है, बिकॉज दे विल से ना सर नॉर्थ साउथ तो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन में होता है, वर्टिकल कैसे कर रहे हैं? ऑलराइट, so now try to understand these directions carefully and try to solve questions using these planes. अगर east west on vertical या vertical down, all of them are involved. Alright, अतर्व सिर्फ 4 ही डायरेक्शन होता है क्या? नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. North south east west is what a direction in a horizontal plane. If I'm talking about some direction, upward direction, downward direction, तो बताना पड़ेगा ना मेरे को. So for that case, I have assumed this. जरूरत पड़ेगा आपको, not only here only. If you are going to opt for engineering, there also you have to understand these things. Even in magnetism, हर जगह ये काम आता है. This is a normal imagination. तुम्हारे real life में ऐसा है. Think about this in your real life. उधर नॉर्थ है, पीछे साउथ है, इधर ईस्ट है, इधर वेस्ट है, ऊपर में नॉर्थ, ऊपर में अपवर्ड, नीचे में डाउनवर्ड. If you look at that plane from this side, it will look like this. If you look at that plane from upside, it will look like this. Yeah, it depends on पूरा imagination. All right, it depends on your visualizing power. कैसे आप visualize करते हो चीजों को. Okay, तो चलो. तो I think कि most of the students are thinking this is competitive exam, बहुत competitive class होने वाला है, बहुत tough होने वाला है, so they have not joined. It's good for them, but they should have joined it. No problem. So those who are serious, they have come. I welcome you all. तो शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास, ठीक है? तो as I told you that today we are going to extend whatever we have studied on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, ठीक है? तो जो हमने पढ़ा है ना उसको extend करेंगे आगे. तो पहला क्या पढ़ा था हमने? The first topic that we have studied is Biot-Savart's law, ठीक है? And there we have studied the formula. क्या था Biot-Savart's का? Let us have a revision here. Let me decrease the thickness. So Biot, और जो भी लिखना है लिख लो. That was experiment ना? That was the experiment, correct है, but उसका ज्यादा इधर हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, उसका एक्सटेंशन हमें नहीं पढ़ने की जरूरत है, ठीक है? तो ये हमने पढ़ा था. बताओ इसका फॉर्मूला क्या था, मैथमेटिकल मॉड्यूल क्या था? व्हाट वाज द मैथमेटिकल मॉड्यूल, व्हाट वाज द मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला व्हिच विल टेल अस द बायो-सावर्ट्स लॉ? तो क्या था कि दिस इज वैलिड ओनली फॉर स्मॉल करंट कैरिंग एलिमेंट, है ना? दिस इज वैलिड ओनली फॉर इनफाइनाइटेसिमल स्मॉल करंट कैरिंग एलिमेंट. So dB will be equal to, क्या लिखते हैं बच्चा लोग? म्यू नॉट आई dl क्रॉस r कैप डिवाइडेड बाई r स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई. यही था ना? mu naught by 4 pi into I dl cross r cap divided by r square. Now, based on Biot-Savart's law, we'll derive we'll derive magnetic field because of some standard or some special cases, some special current arrangements. Some मतलब एक ही करेंगे. We have already derived a magnetic field using Biot-Savart's law for a circular current carrying wire, and today we'll study how can we calculate magnetic field due to a finite current carrying wire, finite straight current carrying wire. Siddharth, please attend the class regularly. This is the 5th class of this week, and we have discussed everything. Yesterday also I have discussed which class this is. Don't term anything that JE class, NEET class. मैं सिर्फ competitive class का नाम लेता हूँ. If you want to learn physics, please attend my class. If you want to learn something else, I am not your teacher, बच्चा. ठीक है? So sorry for this tone, but I'm fed up with this question. This is JE class, NEET class. I don't know in which world you live in. I'm not telling only you, Siddharth. I'm telling to everybody, those who are having confusion with this. I don't know whether you have gone for previous papers of NEET, CET, JE or not. But if you have gone for those previous questions, you'll get to know that you can't miss any of the class. I will ask few of your NEET students, those who used to attend my JE classes on Saturday. They will understand that few of the concepts that have been taught in those classes, they have been beneficial for them for the NEET classes also, for NEET examinations also, for NEET questions also. Because JE and NEET, both of them are completely related. बहुत ही relation है दोनों में physics में, ठीक है? बहुत ही ज़्यादा similarity है. If you think about this is NEET, this is JE, I don't know in which world you are living in. I don't think you're living in on the planet Earth. I think you're living in some imaginary planet where some Gyani Baba has given some pseudo Gyan to you, and you have stuck to that thing. You have got some rubbish Gyan from some rubbish Gyani Baba. So that is why you can't get away from those things. I'm telling this because I'm fed up with this kind of query that is coming to me every time. JE class, NEET class. I have told you clearly, if you want to learn physics, please come to my class. Let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know what I can do extra. But if you want to learn something else, if you're expecting some kind of spoon feeding, or if you're expecting that a teacher will do some kind of magic, I'm not a magician. If you'll understand the thing, if you'll express yourself in front of me that, sir, I couldn't understand this, or I want this and that, you will feel that, yeah, magic hua. But if you'll not do your part and you'll think some magic will happen, I'm not a normal magician, or I'm not anything but a simple physics teacher. मैं physics पढ़ाऊंगा. I'm least worried about this is JE class or NEET class. Because believe me guys, I'm not going to JE advanced level any of the class. किसी भी class में मैं नहीं गया हूँ. And secondly, I'm not even touching the extreme of JE main level. So sorry for those who are actually very serious about this JE and all, because I have seen the score of JE's kids. It's not very up to the mark. They're struggling a lot. So I don't want to make sure, I don't want to actually let them in trouble or make physics troubling for them or complicated for them. So I'm just touching the NEET level. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. That will be helpful for NEET also. That will be helpful for JE also. All right. So Siddharth, I'm not only telling you Siddharth Bacha, I'm telling everybody, because today you have asked. Tomorrow or next day someone else will ask. So it's not about a single person. It's about every one of you. This is not chemistry बच्चा कि सब कुछ same है. This is not about maths. You can bifurcate आराम से कि ये इसका है, ये इसका है. Biology तो है, NEET के लिए, maths है JE के लिए. In physics बच्चा अलग अलग चीजें हैं. There's so much of similarity. So please, from next time, please don't ask these things. Seriously, I don't like this question. Seriously बोल रहा हूँ. Because we are planning according to whatever we are planning according to the level of student, like how you are actually perceiving the concepts given by the teacher. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. So I urge you and request you, please be regular in the class and please be attentive in the class. Please don't ask these kind of things. ठीक है? If you think this is tough, let me know कि क्या problem है. I'm not teaching anything which is at the level of engineering or which is aerospace engineering पढ़ा रहा हूँ या aeronautical science पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I'm just teaching you basic physics. These are the things that you'll find in any of the book. Take any NEET book also or JE book also. For NEET, you might skip the derivation, but those relations are important for NEET also. Questions have been asked directly, एकदम directly पूछा है. Anyway, let us now focus on the context. Physics के context पे बात करते हैं. ठीक है. So Biot-Savart's law की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग. So this is valid only for very small or infinitesimally small current carrying element. ठीक है, बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में अतर. So let us now talk about magnetic field application की बात करें. Now I am talking about the application of Biot-Savart's law. So we'll talk about magnetic field due to a finite straight current carrying wire. If you have already gone through this, very good. If you have not gone through this, let me teach you. Let me know if you have any doubt in this one. ठीक है. So question क्या है? What is the heading here? Magnetic field due to a finite straight current carrying wire. इसके कारण हम आंसर निकालेंगे. Tell me what was the formula for an infinite straight current carrying wire? What was the magnetic field at a distance d from the infinite current carrying wire or from a long current carrying wire? बोलो. If you're having a long current carrying wire which is a distance of d, if you're having a long current carrying wire where current flowing through this is I and there is a point P at a distance d, tell me what was the formula that we have derived? क्या था बच्चा लोग? Mu naught I by 2 pi d, right? So we are going to get this part also using this. But before going to this part, let us find out what will be the magnetic field if the wire is. ये क्या हुआ? Okay, wait a minute. Start the broadcast. Okay, yeah, ठीक है. So let us first talk about if the wire is finite one, not the infinite or not the long one. कैसे करेंगे देख लो ध्यान से. I'll use Biot-Savart's law. As I've told you, I'm going to use Biot-Savart's law. So let me draw a finite wire. Now, if I ask you to find magnetic field, then you will say, sir, at which point you need to find the magnetic field. Let us consider current is flowing in this direction. So first question will be at which point, because magnetic field will depend on the distance of the point from the current carrying element. So first thing will be that at which point you want to find the magnetic field. So there are infinite number of points at which like the magnetic field will be different. तो यहाँ पूछ सकता हूँ, यहाँ पूछ सकता हूँ. At any point I can ask. So first I have to specify which point I'm talking about. So let me specify a point here. So let's call this is the point I'm talking about. How can I specify the position of this point, guys? So there are multiple methods. But since this current carrying wire is given to us, so I have to explain the position of this point using this reference. क्योंकि हमारा reference क्या है? Current carrying wire है. So distance of this of the point from this wire, direction, everything will be taken from this reference. ठीक है? तो शुरू करते हैं. Let me consider the distance of this point or perpendicular distance of this point from this wire. It's small d. I'm taking the distance what? Small d. ये मैंने assume किया. Let us say the angle made by this point with this end is theta 2. ठीक है? The angle made by this end at this point is, let's say, theta 1. Now, can I see if I specify these angles theta 1 and theta 2, the position of this point is now fixed. If I talk about this point, then theta 1, theta 2 will change accordingly. If I specify this theta 1 and theta 2, this point is now specified. This is a unique point I'm talking about. कैसे find out करेंगे बच्चा लोग? पहली बार if I have to use Biot-Savart's law, I have to talk about small current carrying element. But here this current carrying element is not small. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to divide these into small current carrying element. So let us assume, I'm writing this here, guys. इसको मैंने यहाँ लिखा, ठीक है? This is theta 2. So let us assume a small current carrying element first. So this is that small current carrying element I'm talking about. मैं थोड़ा thick बना रहा हूँ just for the representation so that you can understand this. This is the small current carrying element I'm talking about. Let's say this is the distance of this is, let's say, dl. कहां से दूरी है? तो from this point or from this point, the distance of this current carrying element is, let us say, L. So at a distance of L from this point, there is a current carrying element of thickness dl. शुरू करते हैं तो अच्छा, what is the position of this dl? So let me say the angle made by this dl from this end, and with this point is, let's say, this is, let's say, phi. Acha guys, tell me why do I need to explain this phi here? Why do I need to write this angle phi here? Because we know that in Biot-Savart's law, you need to have angle between dl and r. Direction of dl is here, direction of r will be this one. This is what? R. For this element, this is what? R. ये क्या बचा लो? R है. So the angle made by this r with this dl is what? Phi I have considered. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? अच्छा, now let me also assume this. अच्छा, अभी के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. अब बात करते हैं कि what will be the magnetic field because of this current carrying element. तो I'll write mu naught by 4 pi into current तो I into dl into r into sine of which angle should I consider बच्चा लोग? Which angle should I consider? Phi or any theta 1 theta 2? I will consider phi because angle between dl and r is what? Phi. So sine phi divided by r square. Since we have considered theta 1 theta 2 is the position of these two ends, I need to explain the position of this part also with this point. Okay? I have to explain the position of this current element from this point P. So for that, let me say this angle is theta. मैंने इसको क्या बोला? Angle theta बोला है. So if you change the angle from theta, if you have theta is equal to theta 2, I'm talking about a current carrying element here. If I'm talking about theta 1 in upward direction, I'm talking about this point. If I'm talking about theta is equal to 0, I'm talking about element at this point. Okay? So that theta will tell us at which current carrying element I'm talking about. All right. In this equation, guys, tell me what are the variables here? क्या-क्या variable है हमारे पास? Can I say dl, r, phi? There's so many variables involved in this equation. So I have to convert these things into single variable form. कैसे करेंगे single variable form में? If I use this right angle triangle, ध्यान से देखना, if I use this right angle triangle, can I say that L divided by, or I can say that L divided by D is equal to tan theta, because this is 90 degree. ध्यान से देखना बच्चा लोग, अगर प्रॉब्लम होता है बोलना. In this right angle triangle, can I write L divided by D is equal to tan of theta? Because for this theta, this is the perpendicular or opposite side, and this is the adjacent or base. So I'll write tan theta can be written as L divided by D. So I can say L will be equal to D into tan of theta. So can I say if I differentiate this part, I will get dl is equal to, because this length is what? Variable. So dl can be written as D into differentiation of tan theta is what? Sec square theta. Can I replace this dl with d sec square theta where d is constant? And we need to, and if I change the value of theta from theta 1 to theta 2, or if you change the value of theta, I'm talking about different elements. So I have to convert this form into theta form. So where theta will be the variable of integration. All right. So इसका तो काम हो गया. How will I replace this r value? R को कैसे replace करें? बोलो बच्चा लोग. Can I say एक तो r cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ से? अच्छा, why did I write r here? This is तो 1 ना? This is the 1, right? R cap था 1. अच्छा, how will I replace this r here, guys? Tell me. Theta missing है? Where theta missing, sir? बोलो बच्चा लोग. How should I write? How should I convert this r in terms of theta? Can I say I will use again the same right angle triangle, and I can write, very good bacha, very good Prakriti. I can say d divided by r is equal to cos theta. D divided by r is equal to cos of theta, because for this angle theta, this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So I can write also d divided by r is equal to cos of theta. So r will be equal to, r को क्या लिख देंगे, d divided by cos of theta. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. अच्छा, phi को देखो बताता हूं ना. Now tell me what is the relation between phi and theta. बोलो बच्चा लोग, बोलो बच्चा लोग. I don't have to take help of phi, Mohit. That is why I am not using that phi value here. I have to convert everything in terms of theta so that I can integrate it aram se. Tell me what is the relation between phi and theta. Very good. Keep it up. So I can say phi is equal to, and phi is equal to 90 minus theta. Now use all of these conclusions in this equation. सारे conclusions को आप इस equation में use करो. So I'm having dB is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi into dl. What is the value of dl? D sec square theta into sine of phi, sine of 90 minus theta, divided by r square. R cos theta can be written as, d cos theta can be written as d sec theta. So d square sec square theta, and here d theta will also be there, na? It will be d theta here, because I have differentiated this L with respect to theta. So dl by d theta will be equal to d sec square theta. So d theta will be multiplied here. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, विश्वनाथ समझ में आया तुम्हारी बात? ऑल राइट, करेक्ट है गणेश, वेरी गुड. सो यहां से d स्क्वायर 1d and d will get cancel. Sec square theta will get cancel. What is sin 90 minus theta? बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is sin 90 minus theta? That is cos theta. So the final answer that I'm getting here is dB is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi into cos theta d theta divided by d. So 4 pi into d. So this is the value for magnetic field because of this small current carrying element. Guys, click yes if you have understood this part. Please click yes if you have understood this part. अगर यहां तक समझ में आई बात तो प्लीज क्लिक यस. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now let us move on to one sec. दोनों sec square कैंसिल होगा ना इधर. Sec square theta, both of them will get cancelled. Okay, all right. Now let us move on to this arrangement here. I have talked about only one small finite element, small infinitesimal small finite element, but this current carrying element is having so many such infinite current carrying element. So now let us talk about all of them. तो एक ही d तो कैंसिल किया ना अथर्व. One of the d has been cancelled. That is why I have taken d in the denominator. Na? See properly, carefully. Now tell me guys, what is the direction of magnetic field because of this current carrying element? Bolo bachcha. Tell me what is the direction of magnetic field because of this small current carrying element. How do you find that? Using cross product method, using right hand thumb rule. Bolo bachcha log, kaise nikaloge? Direct your right hand fingers along the direction of dl in such a way that the face of the palm should be towards R. No Prakriti, ऐसा नहीं करते. देखो, direct your right hand fingers along the first vector, that is dl, in such a way that palm should be facing towards vector R or the second vector. The thumb will give you the direction of dl cross R. बोलो क्या होगा? dl cross R. देखो कैसा है इधर? R is in this way. थोड़ा सा ऐसा करेंगे. You do like this or like this. तो ये इस तरीके से क्या, right? See, guys, you might see my hand left to right or right to left. वो inverted दिख सकता है आपको. So please use your right hand to understand these things अच्छे से. ठीक है? Direct your right hand fingers along the dl vector in such a way that the palm should be facing towards R. It should be facing towards R. So what is the direction of thumb? Thumb is into the plane. Now similarly, talk about a different small current carrying element here. Tell me what will be the magnetic field because of, what will be the direction of magnetic field because of this small current carrying element. Tell me guys. And yeah, Shashwat, but it will be very awkward for me. Tell me what will be the direction of current carrying element for this direction of field because of this current carrying element. Into the plane only. Acha. What about this current carrying element? Same into the plane. ऐसा करेंगे और कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा. तो into the plane. Here also into the plane. Can I say that magnetic field because of all these small current carrying element is same? So direction of magnetic field, let me write it here. Direction of magnetic field due to all the current carrying elements, due to all the small current carrying element is into the plane. Can I say that now to find out what will be the total magnetic field, I don't have to find the components and all. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now I just have to add all of them. Because this is because of one of them, find the dB because of all other and then add them. How can you add them if they are continuous? So to add continuous data, you need an operation called as integration. So what will be the net magnetic field, guys? Can I say integral dB? ठीक है, इंटीग्रल dB. नाउ इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, dB का वैल्यू क्या मिला? mu naught I divided by 4 pi d. Can I say they are constant so I can take it out? So I need this sharp here. I need this snake here into cos of theta d theta. So what is the variable of integration, guys? Tell me what is the variable of integration here? Variable of integration is what? Theta. Correct? Now tell me what will be the limit of theta? What will the limit of variation or limit of integration? How the value of theta should change? Now this is important here. जिसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा उसके लिए ताली बजेगा. नो प्रतीश, इल्ला इल्ला, किसी का करेक्ट आंसर नहीं है. नो पवित्रा. थोड़ा सा अच्छे से समझना. 0 to 90 तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है यार. हाउ कैन यू से 0 to 90? थीटा इज हियर. देखो फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट थीटा इज हियर. सो यहां से थीटा 2 मतलब दिस वन, here से theta 1 is this one. Very good, Vishruth. Vishruth has got the correct answer. मोनिशा नहीं, वैसे बोल सकते हो बट उल्टा हो जाएगा. I will say, see if I say this is theta 1 here, if this is theta 1 here, few of you can say sir theta 2 to theta 1. But problem is if I say this is theta 1, theta 2 can be in this direction also. Or let us take some numbers here. If this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. This 60 degree can be drawn here also. So you can get confused which theta is equal to 60 degree I'm talking about. वो theta कौन सा है? ऊपर का है कि नीचे का है? So what I'm going to do is I will consider the downward angle as negative theta और ऊपर वाला positive. So from where to where you're going? From this point to this point you're going. So from minus theta 2 to plus theta 1 you're going. So what will be the limit here? Minus theta 2 to plus theta 1. All right guys, समझ में आई बात सबको? So minus theta 2. No, 90 कहाँ है बच्चा? Where 90 तुम्हें दिख रहा है? 90 तो तब होगा ना जब ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा. Theta will be 90 Pratish when the angle will be like this. When the end point will be बहुत दूर. When the line will be joining in this way, then theta will be 90. Same goes downward, then theta will be 90. How it is 90? No, both of them are not same. Both of them are different. It's an arbitrary point. It's a general point. It is not on the perpendicular bisector. It is somewhere else. That is why I have written theta 1, theta 2. Na? If they will be equal, I'll write theta, theta only. Rakshita, समझ में आया क्या? All right. So limits will be from minus theta 2 from to like 2 plus theta 1. All right. No, Pratish, I didn't say that this is 90 degree. How do I see Pratish is saying that this will be 90 degree? Yes, infinite में आएगा 90 बच्चा. Did I say this is 90 degree? Is it mandatory for us? It's a basic geometry. It's a basic geometrical mistake you are doing. It's not 90 degree. Summation of theta 1, theta 2 is not 90 degree. It can be anything. It can be 30, it can be 50, it can be 20, it can be 40. कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? Yeah, you have made the blunder. You have committed a blunder. All right. Now integrate this. What is integration of cos theta, guys? Tell me what is integration of cos theta. बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is integration of cos theta? Sin theta, correct? अथर्व गलत हो गया, मानसी गलत हो गया, चेतना गलत हुआ, गणेश गलत हुआ. Integration of cos theta is only sin theta, not minus sin theta. विद्या गलत हो गया. So integration of cos theta is only sin theta. Limits are from minus theta to theta. ठीक है? Now put the limits. So you'll get mu naught I by 4 pi d into. ठीक है? या डिफरेंशिएशन में होता है, इंटीग्रेशन में नहीं होता है. So sin of theta 1 minus sin of minus theta 2. So get the answer. Mu naught I divided by 4 pi d into sin of theta 1 plus sin of theta 2. This is the net magnetic field at that point. Now, depending on the angle, depending on the position, these angles theta 1, theta 2 will change and the answer will be calculated. Guys, now click yes if you have understood this. If you have understood this, you have to remember this formula. ठीक है? अगर इस समझ में आया तो please remember this formula. All right? बहुत बढ़िया. Now let us solve some special cases here. And let us come to a conclusion that the derivation that we have done using Ampere's circuital law for an infinite current carrying wire is correct. ठीक है? थोड़ा थोड़ा linked है प्रतीश, थोड़ा थोड़ा linked है. तो शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? So now we are talking about special cases. Special cases का मतलब क्या है? Infinite current carrying wire. Infinite current carrying wire. Or in some of the book or in some other context, you can have this statement as for long current carrying wire. ठीक है? Or you may have a condition where when point is very close to the wire. All of these points, all of these lines, or all of these contexts are the same context. ठीक है? अब खुद सोच लो. If this wire is very very long, बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है? दूसरा condition क्या? If I see that particular wire from a very close point, from a very distant, from a very near point, how this wire will look like? How this wire will look to me? कैसा दिखेगा ये? Because if I can't find the end point of this wire, I'll observe that this is a very long wire. Imagine you have closed your eyes right now. Imagine you have closed your eyes, and in front of you, I keep this plane in front of your eyes, very close to your eyes. I keep this particular plane in front of your eyes like this, exactly like this. Tell me, guys, can you see this? See, I'm just considering this webcam as the eye, of, like one of the eye of yours, or the eyes of yours. If I place this plane here, can you decide whether this plane is very is smaller plane or is very larger plane? बता सकते हो क्या? The easiest way to do that is, पहला क्या बोलोगे आप? If this is very close to you, you will say बहुत बड़ा plane रखा सर मेरे आंखों के सामने. You have placed a very large plane in front of my eyes, right? समझ में आ रही बात? Because you cannot find the ends of it. तो you'll say बहुत this is very what? Infinite large sheet. बहुत बड़ा sheet है ये और बहुत बड़ा plane है. The same way it will go in case of wire also. If the point is very close to this wire, to this point, this wire will look like very large. समझ में आ रही बात? बहुत ही इन्फिनाइटली लॉन्ग वायर दिखेगा उसको. So all these three lines have the same meaning. So तीनों में से किसी कंडीशन से पूछे आप आंसर एक ही बोलो. कैसा कंडीशन है वो? तो let us consider a current carrying wire like this. All right, and the point is somewhere here. Now try to join these points. ये क्या हो गया? Try to join these points. इसको ज्वाइन किया. Now try to join this point. Now think about this, guys. If I bring this point still closer to this, can I say the angle right now? What is the angle? Can I say it is close to the, see, this angle is what? Angle with this point. It is close to 90. It's not 90, but it's close to 90. Same goes with this one. What is this angle? It's close to 90. If this point will come closer to this wire, can I say the angle will move towards 90 degree? बात समझ में आ रही है क्या? So in all of these cases, I'll say theta 1 will be equal to theta 2, and this will be equal to 90 degree. All right, theta 1 will, and it, now tell me what will be the B net value? What will be the value of net magnetic field? So mu naught I divided by 4 pi d into sine of 90 plus sine of 90. So correct answer would be B net will be equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi into d. Did you get the same answer, guys? क्या यही आंसर मिला था आपको? तो कंडीशन वही हुआ. So if this is a very long wire, how do you represent a long wire or an infinite wire? You cannot estimate the actual position of its ends, of the ends of this wire. So I'll express them as dotted line. If this is drawn like this, I will consider this is what? Infinitely long wire. If this is the point I'm talking about, and if the distance between them is d, so I'll say magnetic field at this point P, because of this infinitely long current carrying wire, will be mu naught I by 2 pi d. And this is very, very important. ठीक है? Out of this calculation, out of this derivation, ये बहुत ही important part है. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? चिराग is saying D is almost 0, but 0 तो नहीं है ना. ठीक है, कल हमने किया था, करेक्ट है? ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now let us talk about this second special case. And what is that second special case? If point is very close to the wire and located near one of its end, this condition. ठीक है? Yes, yes, Pratish, we have done it. If point is very close to the wire, that means अभी भी बड़ा सा लंबा सा वायर है, but the point is now located near one of its end. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? That means the one of the end is known to us. Location of one of the end is known to us, but the location of other end is not known to us, unknown to us. So you can say that this condition can also be summarized as due to a semi-infinite current carrying wire. So I'm talking about magnetic field because of a semi-infinite current carrying wire. So how the condition will look like? So you're having a wire like this, where this end is unknown to us. This end is unknown to us. Now the point is what? Close to this. Now this end is now known to us. This is that point. Tell me guys, what will be the value of theta 1? What will be the value of theta 2? So theta 2 is what? If you join this, it will go like this for theta 2. Because this is lying at infinity. So if you join that, they'll be parallel because parallel lines meet at infinity. So theta 2 will be 90. What will be theta 1? the angle made by this end point with this and the perpendicular. What is theta 1? That is 0. Theta 1 is 0. Theta 2 is 90 degree. Theta 1 is 0. Theta 2 is 90 degree. Theta 1 is 0 degree. Theta 2 is 90 degree. Now put the values. So if somebody asks you what is the magnetic field because of a semi-infinite wire, what will be the answer? Mu naught I by 4 pi d. How will you find the direction, guys? Yesterday we have talked about this. How will you find the direction of magnetic field at any point because of a long or because of a straight wire? कैसे निकालोगे बे? चलो. Direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current and curl your finger. ठीक है? Direct your right hand thumbs along the direction of current and then curl your finger. The sense of curling of your finger will tell you the direction of magnetic field in the concentric circle. ठीक है? कैसा होगा? ध्यान से देख लो. Direct your thumb in this direction. This is the direction of thumb. Now curl your fingers. How the curling will occur, guys? ऐसा कुछ curl होगा. So sense of rotation will be like this. In horizontal plane, like this, right? So at each and every point, if you want to find the direction of magnetic field at each and every point, you have to draw a tangent. So at this point, if you draw the tangent, the magnetic field line will be into the plane. समझ में आई बात? Correct है. So that direction you can find out आराम से. So now let us solve some basic numericals or some numericals based on these informations, based on these calculations and formulas, and try to understand them, try to use the application there. So पहला सवाल, ठीक है? Let me ask you with finite only. पहले finite wire से शुरू करते हैं. Consider this is a square. A. There is a square current carrying wire, ठीक है? कुछ ऐसा current flow कर रहा है. This is I. Inside this current carrying, like the direction of current is in what? Clockwise direction. And you need to find what will be the magnitude, what will be the magnetic field at the center of the square. Find the magnetic field at the center of the square. This is point O. Find B at O. Answer karo. You need to tell me the direction also. You need to tell me the magnitude also. विश्रुत आराम से बच्चा, ऐसा नहीं करते. थोड़ा ध्यान से. जीरो तो नहीं होगा ना, आप खुद सोच लो. हर वायर के कारण आप डायरेक्शंस निकाल लो. Find direction of magnetic field because of this wire. Find direction of magnetic field because of this wire. Find direction of magnetic field because of this wire. And then find magnetic field because of this wire. You'll find out that all the directions because of all these current carrying wire is in the same direction. So how zero will come? Vishrut, how zero will come? Answer karo bachalo, jaldi se answer karo. You can use some relevant assumptions also. This is the first element, second element. For the sake of calculation, you can name them also A, B, C, D ऐसा करके. Correct है Sakshya. Direction of magnetic field has been given by Sakshya and that is into the plane. Correct only. So direction of magnetic field will be into the plane only. Magnetic field, direction of magnetic field because of this will be ऐसे करेंगे नीचे की ओर. Because of this also into the plane. Because of this also, third one also into the plane. Because of fourth one also into the plane. So because of all of them, the direction of magnetic field is what? Into the plane. So you need to find what is the magnetic field because of 1, 2, 3, 4 and then add them all. Guys, please don't use the formula as mu naught I by 2 pi d. Please don't use that. This is not a long, this is not an infinite wire, na? This is a finite wire. So Pratish, I think तुमने वही किया है. So those who have answered 2 mu naught I by those who have answered 2 mu naught I by d, they have actually considered the magnitude of magnetic field as mu naught I by 2 pi d. They have considered these wires as long wires. Answer will be wrong then. Yes, so now I'm getting some correct answers. हाँ, विश्रुत वगैरह लोग का करेक्ट आंसर आया है, ठीक है। देखो बच्चा लोग, लेट मी टॉक अबाउट एनी वन ऑफ द वायर, दिस वायर। I need to get the angle theta 1 and theta 2. Draw a perpendicular from here. Draw a perpendicular. बोलो बच्चा लोग, ये कितना एंगल होगा? 45. What will be this angle? 45 square है ना, 45. So for this wire, what is theta 1? What is theta 2? Theta 1 is 45 degree. Theta 2 is also 45 degree. So if I call this as element 1, this is element 2, this is element 3, and this is element 4. Tell me what will be the value of B1? B1 का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा? तो म्यू नॉट आई डिवाइडेड बाई 4 pi distance. What is the distance of this point from this current carrying wire? बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is the distance of this point from this current carrying wire? A. Shreya, are you sure? A. ऐसे थोड़ा सर को हिलाओ, shake your head, ऐसे ऐसे. Then I think you'll get the correct answer. Do you think distance of this point from this current carrying wire is A? Illa. Yeah, it's A by 2. Yeah, everybody has answered. Distance of this point from this current carrying wire is A by 2. So put the value A by 2 into sine 45 plus sine 45. So 2 into sine of 45 degree. ठीक है? So mu naught I divided by 2 pi into A into 2 sine 45. What is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. 2 divided by root 2 is what? Root 2. All right. 2 into 1 by root 2 is what? Root 2. What will be the magnitude of magnetic field because of second wire? Can I say will be equal to B2? Same, distance is A by 2, angles 45. Third one, distance A by 2, angle is 45. Fourth one, distance A by 2, angle 45. So I'll say B2, B3 and B4. So what will be the net magnetic field? 4 into B1. So I'll say 4 root 2 divided by 2 into mu naught I divided by A, pi into A. So answer will be 2 root 2 mu naught I divided by pi A. So those who have got this answer, they are correct. समझ में आया सबको? Guys, did you understand this part? Click yes if you have understood this solution. Click yes if you have understood this solution. मैंने wrong किया क्या? या D के जगह पे A. ठीक है रे. This should be A. It's okay. This should be A. All right. बहुत बढ़िया. आगे बात करें. गलत हुआ है चेतन. तो मैंने चेतन, let me know if you have any problem here in this solution. Do you have any doubt in this solution? Let me know if you have any. If you have understood this, then find the mistake in your solution. ठीक है? क्या mistake किया है? Find out that solution. Find out that mistake. Clear है? All right. Now let us move on to next question. There are two लंबा सा wire. अरे it's okay रे प्रतीश, चलेगा रे. Don't think that way रे. ठीक है? If your intentions are correct ना, कोई problem नहीं है. That only matters. देखो, two long wires are there, two current carrying wires are there, but they are long. Infinite बड़ा सा है. Now there are few points that I'm going to mention. 3 points actually I'll be mentioning. One of them is here, other one is here, and other one is here. 3 points I have mentioned. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. All of them are, let's say, A is at a distance of D by 2 from this one. This is at a distance of D by 2 from this one. This is at a distance of D by 2 from this one. The distance between these two wires is small d. The current going through this is, let's say, I and I. I ray I. Find out magnetic field at A, B, and C. जल्दी से आंसर करो। फाइंड आउट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट्स ए, बी एंड सी। गाइस, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन? समझ में आया सबको? क्वेश्चन में किसी को परेशानी तो नहीं है ना? बहुत बढ़िया। तो अभी आंसर करिए, व्हाट विल बी द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट ए, बी एंड सी रिस्पेक्टिवली डजंट मीन, जरूरत नहीं उसकी। ओके, गणेश ने आंसर किया है तीनों पॉइंट्स के लिए। लेट अस सी वेदर ही हैज गॉट द करेक्ट आंसर और नॉट। हाँ, बी के लिए सब लोगों ने आंसर किया। लड्डू सबको पसंद है ना? एवरीबॉडी लव्स लड्डू। So there so many of you have answered option the magnetic field because of at point B. अच्छा, you have taken D. चलो कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, but you have attempted them, right? Your approach matters. अगर approach सही किया है तो कोई issue नहीं। अच्छा बताओ, at point A what will be the direction of magnetic field? At point A what will be the direction of magnetic field? Because of, if I call this is the first element, first wire, and this is the second wire, what will be the direction of magnetic field because of the first wire? थंब को करो और कर्ल करो, क्या मिलेगा? into the plane. All right, because of the second wire, into the plane. Because of the second wire also, into the plane. All right, so B at A will be equal to B1 plus V2, because both of them are going into the plane, so direction are same, so the net magnetic field will be scalar addition. Normally you can add them. So B1 का आंसर क्या मिलेगा? Since they are long wire, infinite wire, so mu naught I divided by 2 pi into D. 2 pi into D. What is the distance? So first, what is the distance? D by 2 plus B2, so mu naught I divided by 2 pi into, what is the distance of point A from this second wire? So D plus D by 2, 3D by 2. तो 2 का काम तमाम। आंसर क्या मिलेगा बच्चा लोग? 3 नीचे रह गया, तो 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. तो 4 mu naught I divided by 3 pi t. This is what? Into the plane. Now tell me how many of you have got this answer? How many of you have got this answer? Wait, let me now respond. How many of you got this answer? Very good, बच्चा। विश्रुत 5, 6, 7, 8, चलो ठीक है, decent number of you have got this answer. Very good, बच्चा। Now let me talk about B at point B. BB, क्या बात है? Find out what is the magnetic field at this point B. क्या होगा? Towards right. Rohit, should be towards right. Rohit is asking about how can we find out direction of magnetic field at A using vector product, using that right hand thumb rule. So direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current. The palm should be facing towards the second vector. So for this current carrying wire, this will be the R. तो ऐसे करेंगे। For this current carrying wire, this is the finger. So this should be facing, this is the palm face. So thumb will be into the plane. ठीक है, किसी ने तो पूछा था ये दूसरा वाला मेथड, ठीक है। ओके गाइस, बी पॉइंट की बात करिए। सृष्टि, सी वाले पॉइंट पे देखना, समझ में आएगा, डोंट वरी, और बी में ही समझ में आ जाएगा। टेल मी व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट दिस पॉइंट बी बिकॉज ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट? बिकॉज ऑफ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, everybody please use your right hand fingers, right hand, direct your right hand thumb along the direction of current, ठीक है, and then curl your right hand fingers. curl करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा। so when you curl it at point B, you will find this circle is coming out, बाहर की ओर आता हुआ दिखेगा। consider this is the current carrying wire, point B is towards left of this, so this is the point B. ऐसे थंब को रखो इधर और कर्ल करो, ठीक है। देखो, ध्यान से देखो, दिस इज द करंट कैरिंग वायर, करंट इज गोइंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, पॉइंट बी इज लेट्स से हियर, दिस पॉइंट जो हिला रहे हो ना ऐसे इंडेक्स फिंगर को, दिस पॉइंट, डायरेक्ट योर राइट हैंड थंब along the direction of current and then curl it, ठीक है। कर्ल किया, now when you curl it, in which direction the circle is going to है? ऐसा मूव करेगा। so at this point this is the point B, so circle will come like this, so tangent at this point will come towards me मतलब towards the observer, So towards the observer means out of the plane. Sorry, out of the plane. So because of 1 it is out of the plane. तो लिखा मैंने B1, ठीक है, that is what, out of the plane. So पहले लिखता हूं B1 वेक्टर प्लस B2 वेक्टर. B1 वेक्टर का डायरेक्शन क्या है बच्चा लोग? Out of the plane. Now tell me about second element. For second element, current is going in upward direction, let's say. Second element, point B is towards right. Point B is towards right. Again, thumb ko along the direction of current, curl it. Along the direction of current and curl it. When you curl it, the circle will come like this. This is the point B. Curl kiya. So circle will be like this. So the tangent will be what? Going away from the observer. I am the observer, going away from the observer. So away from the observer means into the plane. So B2 direction is what? Into the plane. ठीक है? Now both of them are in what? Opposite direction. Both of them are in what? Opposite direction. Tell me guys, what is the magnitude of B1? Mu naught I by 2 pi. What is the distance of this point from the first element? D by 2. What is the magnitude of B2? Mu naught I by 2 pi into. What is the distance of this point from second element? D by 2. Both of them are having the same magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. So what is the answer for magnetic field at point B? It is 0. Let's do. ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया. Now tell me what will be the magnetic field because of those current carrying element. ठीक है? At point C. ठीक है? C पे देखते हैं क्या होगा. Because of first element, tell me what will be the direction of magnetic field. सृष्टि, ध्यान से बताना बच्चा लोग. Those who are asking me कि कैसे सर, अभी बताओ. What will be the direction of magnetic field because of this? You can also use that cross product method. You can also use the cross product method. कैसे? So direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current carrying element in such a way that your palm should be facing towards the R vector. So this is the current carrying element, right? In which direction palm should be facing? R is here. So this should be the palm. And this should be the fingers. Tell me guys, in which direction thumb will be pointing out? कौन सा direction में thumb रहेगा? Thumb will be what? Out of the plane. ऊपर की ओर रहेगा. Right, देखो. Right, ऊपर रहेगा. So because of first element, I'll say B1 will be what? Out of the plane. Similarly, because of second element, tell me, direct your right hand fingers along the current carrying element in such a way that the palm should be facing towards R. R is here. This is R. This is DL. Correct hai na? So this should be the fingers and this should be the palm. How can you have your right hand fingers arranged in such a way that fingers should be in this direction, palm should be facing in this direction? If you do this, the thumb will be what? Again, upar ki or. That means out of the plane. So B2 will be what? Again, out of the plane. What will be the magnitude? So for this element, the distance is 3D by 2. For this element, distance is D by 2. Current in both of them is I. So I can write B1 is equal to mu naught I divided by 3 pi D. Here I'll say mu naught I divided by pi D. When you add it, you'll get 4 mu naught I divided by 3 pi D, and direction will be out of the plane. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this, and I think all of you must have understood this now. Now I think direction must be clear to all of you. Whatever the method that suits you, you can use that. Either you can use this thumb को current की तरफ and then curl it, or direct your fingers along the current carrying element so that the palm should be facing towards R. Then thumb will give you the direction of current. ऐसा कर लो, आंसर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? I can see only 25 of you have responded. What about others? Do you have any other doubt? बच्चा लोग, please respond if you have understood this. Now it has gone to 48, 49, 50. बाकी लोग क्या? अच्छा, let me see how many of you have not activated your audio. let me unearth the secret here. Very good, Ajay. Thank you, bacha. Acha, everybody now I can see. Let me name it. Vivek PG, Alvin, Anusha, Bhumika HP. I have to talk to your father now, I think. Dhanush, Megha, Raksh, and Shiva Kumar. Sashank GP. Now you have activated. Vivek PG, Alvin, Anusha, Bhumika HP, Dhanush, Megha, Raksh, and Shiva Kumar. Let me take a screenshot of this and let me talk to your parents. See, I have taken this screenshot. Actually, the photo of your. So I'll talk to your parents. Dhanush L नहीं कोई और धानुष है क्या? Dhanush Nayak. You are not bacha. Dhanush L आपके नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. Dhanush Nayak. These are the guys who have not activated their audio device. उनका audio चल ही नहीं रहा है. So either they are playing PUBG, or they are uploading some stories, they are reading some stories on Instagram, or they are doing something else. Not Bhumika GB, Bhumika HP. Bhumika GB नहीं, Bhumika HP. The girl with the spec, वो first bench पे जो बैठती है, याद है आपको? First bench left में जो बैठती है. मेरे को मालूम चलता है रे. Use पता लगेगा ना. I can understand these things. I'm not a student of arts na. And they cannot now unmute. They cannot actually. Dhanush L नहीं रे. तेरे को मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ. Dhanush Nayak को बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Dhanush. I'm not talking about you. I am talking about Dhanush Nayak. Don't ask me the same thing again and again. So I'm not a guy from कि मैंने कुछ B arts किया हुआ है. मेरे को भी कुछ थोड़ा बहुत पता है ना. So if I would have been the student, मैं भी कुछ तो करता ना. So these are the guys who have not activated their audio. ठीक है? अब बताता हूँ गणेश, don't worry ना. बता दूंगा तो फिर मालूम कैसे चलेगा. So what happens now? They cannot even activate their audio because they can't hear me. They can't listen to me right now. They can't listen to me, so they cannot actually activate their audio unless one of you tell them. ठीक है? Yeah, I know that. Exactly. They can't even know that I'm talking about them because they can't hear me. देखो, one of them now is there. I think one of you have responded, talked to like one of them. Bhumika किसी पे बात किया. So एक ने audio device on कर लिया है. All right. So guys, when I can't see this audio device symbol on the screen, I get to know that you have not activated your audio device. It should be like this. ऐसा होना चाहिए. ये जो है ना, जो audio का device का symbol होता है, like this. Sorry for this very bad drawing, but this is very, very slippery. ये जो part होता है ना आपका, ये वाला part. This is the mic symbol, the audio symbol, right? If this is like this, समझ में आता है कि you have activated your audio device. And since I have muted all of you, so this cross will be there, this line will be there. If I can't see this symbol, that means you have not activated your audio device. If this symbol is not there, how can I mute you? Simple. This is the logic. If I can't see this, how can I know that? How can I mute you? I can't mute you. You're already muted yourself. ठीक है? समझ में आई बात? It's okay, Dhanush. So guys, I have seen this in other classes also. I actually came with some other user ID, some other username. I joined few of your classes. Biology का भी मैंने देखा है. Maths भी देखा है. I have seen so many of you. So many. Not 10, 20, 50. More than 50 I have seen. At one time I have counted. More, but it's secret now. But you cannot now play with this. मेरे को मालूम है. Now you have to do this. So I have seen this in one class that there were more than 50 guys who were doing this. It's not legal. It's a crime. It's not illegal. It's a crime. It's crime to their career. It's crime they are committing towards their family. And Karthik from Mangalore, from batch A. Yeah, they might be playing PUBG. Karthik, if you are listening, if you are attending the class, or Ajay, if you talk to that guy, please let him know that I want to talk to him. He's that guy. I sometimes go to this PUBG and think about कि क्या चल रहा है. I always see him online on PUBG because my youngest brother is a kind of PUBG lover. I normally say that don't play this and that, but right now he's in that mood to play PUBG. So I used to see him every time he'll be there on that online part. So he'll be online every time. So Ajay, please ask him that I know you're playing PUBG a lot. Stop doing that. All right, guys. So now let us move on to time बचा 5 मिनट बचा है, ठीक है? तो 5 मिनट में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. So with this straight current carrying wire, I think you must be now comfortable, ठीक है? अरे Dhanush, if I am taking your name, your mom should not scold. Your mom should be proud of you that now you are under radar. Now the teacher is thinking of you. The teacher is like taking your name. So he knows your name. ठीक है? धरती हिल सकती है 5 मिनट में, बिल्कुल 5 मिनट में हिल सकती है. कराता हूँ बच्चा, डोंट वरी. एक और क्वेश्चन कराता हूँ. So चलो क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. It's okay. Yeah. So let me consider again a square. Again a square. And now connect a battery across it. This is very beautiful question. Connect a battery across it in such a way that these wires are what? Passing through the center. Now consider this is what? Passing through the center. ऐसा connect करो, ठीक है? This is point O. So current will come from here and go into the circuit from this part and then come out from this part, I. Again, this is A, this is A. Find magnetic field at O. Find magnetic field at O. बताओ बच्चों. अरे Shashwat, don't say that, Ray. Shashwat is saying that one can spread Corona to 100 people in 5 minutes. इसका आंसर बोलो चलो. You can consider the resistance of this square part. If resistance of square is capital R, find out the answer. Okay. कोई बात नहीं रे. थोड़ा डांट सुनना चाहिए. It will make you awake. Like it will not let you sleep. That's good to know that your parents, your mom, your father are like taking care of you, taking care of these studies and all. So they are sincere about your studies. It's very good. About which Atharv? No, Shashwat, it's okay. About Atharv, wires are semi-infinite. Which wire you're talking about? This one? Are you talking about these wires? It doesn't matter. This is a infinite wire or finite wire. If this point is lying along the flow of current, magnetic field because of this will be 0. Magnetic field because of this will be 0. So eventually you have to find the direction. You have to find the magnetic field because of the square loop only. Vinayak, that you have to find out. तुम्हें पता करना पड़ेगा ना. You have to find out. Come on guys, tell me the answer. बहुत ही आसान आंसर है, बहुत ही easy question है. Directions are different. Illa, directions are not different. Are how the currents will go? Tell me how the currents will go. If current is entering into it here, coming out of it here, matlab some branching will come here, some will come here. Some current will come from this side, some current will come from this side. That's it. Khalas. Right? Yes, Ganesh. Correct. Ganesh को मिल गया प्रसाद आज का. Ganesh has got the answer. विश्रुत इल्ला बच्चा. चिराग गलत. Ganesh पाडुरंगा गलत. अभी करेक्ट आया गणेश तुम्हारा. शाश्वत 0 है. आंसर 0 है. Magnetic field at O is 0. Now verify the answer. I have given you the answer also. You verify it. What is the answer? बोलो चलो क्या आंसर है. कोई डायरेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं बच्चा. 0 मींस क्या होता है? If 0, then no direction. Direction is not defined. सर कैसे? आप बताओ ना. You just tell me. You think about it. See, current will be distributed, right? क्या होगा? Current will be distributed at this point. Let us say this current is I1. यहां से गया I1, इधर से गया I2. I2 and this will be I2. Correct, Baswaraj? Tell me what is the value of I1? What is the value of I1? Tell me guys, what is the value of I1? I by 4 or 3I by 4? Resistance किसका ज्यादा है? This part will have R by 3 resistance. This part will have R by 4 resistance. If resistance of pura square loop is R, so this is L by 4, L by 4 length, L by 4 length, L by 4 length. So resistance of each of the side will be R by 4, R by 4, R by 4. All right. So this I1 will be 3I by 4 and this I2 will be I by 4. Tell me what will be the direction of magnetic field because of this wire, because of this part. Direction of magnetic field because of this wire. Bolo bachalo. Out of the plane or into the plane? Direction of magnetic field because of this current carrying wire. Out of the plane or into the plane? Simple सी बात है. Fingers को कर लो उधर, so that palm should be facing towards the point. So out, right? So because of this, direction is out of the plane. Because of this one, it should be the direction of fingers. Palm should be in this direction. How can you have that condition? When thumb will be in downward direction, right? Same goes for this, same goes for this. So because of these three wires, direction of magnetic field will be into the plane. Because of this wire, direction of magnetic field will be out of the plane. So if I name this is a wire 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Can I write B net is equal to B1 minus B2 minus B3 minus B4? And since B2 will be equal to B3 will be equal to B4, that we have already discussed. So B2, B3, B4 are equal. So I can write B1 minus 3B2. What is the value of B1 guys? B1 का value क्या है? So B1 is nothing but mu naught into I, that is 3I by 4 divided by 4 pi into distance is A by 2 into 2 into sine 45 degree minus 3 into mu naught into I is I by 4 divided by 4 pi into perpendicular distance of the point from the wire is A by 2. So A by 2 into 2 of sine 45 degree. Tell me what is the answer. I don't have to calculate it now. Same. They have been subtracted. So what is the answer? लड्डू 0. अरे समझ में आया क्या? Guys, click yes if you have understood this part. Now, can I make a statement here that if I connect a battery across any of the 2 point, on a loop, on a conducting loop, the magnetic field at the center, or on a circular or square loop, ये होना चाहिए square होना चाहिए, symmetrical होना चाहिए, square रखते हैं. If I connect a battery across any 2 points on a square loop, the magnetic field at the center will be 0. Can I say that? Guys, can I say that part? आराम से बोल सकते हैं, right? Rectangular होता तो होता क्या? If this would have been rectangle, will the answer will be 0? Will the answer be 0? नहीं होता. Because current through this part would not have been this kind of arrangement. ये 3 times नहीं होता. This is I4, so this will not be 3I4. 3I by 4 नहीं होता. वो कुछ दूसरा relation होता, right? In case of square, you'll get the answer. In case of square, you'll get the answer. ठीक है यार? Polygon with equal sides में हो जाएगा. Polygon with equal sides में हो जाएगा. Symmetrical में हो जाएगा. Correct. So guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं. 6:48. Thank you for being so expressive and interactive. आज यहीं पे क्लास को खत्म करते हैं. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Enjoy money. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. जो करना है करो. खुश रहिए. खूब रिवीजन करिए. पढ़ाई करिए. Bye bye guys. Take care. Happy learning.